So today is finally the day that I pack up my makeup room, and I'm not overly looking forward to it. It's just an end of a chapter, and it's not always easy to say goodbye. This is a room that I started from pretty much nothing, and it's just something that I didn't put my heart and soul into it. I'm not gonna get sappy like that. It's my space. It's my happy space. It's my creative space. And now I've got to pack it up. Not really knowing if I'm gonna have a space the same when I get to where we're going. And it's just a little bit sad. I'm excited for my new chapter, do not get me wrong. When one door closes, another one opens, and I am very, very excited for the move. But it's just, I'm looking around and it's just my little happy space. And I've kind of been putting it off and off and off and off because I just am dreading it a little bit. So after this video, there will be another vlog of the entire pack up process of kind of the house. So I have reduced the size of my kind of makeup collection, and now I need to go through all of the little boxes that I have, get rid of anything that I don't think I'm going to use. I just have a lot of crafting stuff for no real reason that I need to pack down. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do it. I'm going to put all the stuff that isn't in boxes obviously, and then just figure out how exactly I'm gonna pack up the rest of it. I don't know what I'm doing with the tables, I don't know what I'm doing with anything, but this will be the last video that you see with this setup. You may not know it, but behind this backdrop is actually a window. I have blacked it out and put a backdrop in front of it because it's just the best setup that I could have for this room. I'm hoping that it doesn't take too long, and I'm a little bit sad in behalf of, I know once I pack it up, I've still got, today is the 20th, today is the 16th of May and we leave on the 30th. So we have 2 weeks exactly. Now you're saying, why are you packing it up so early? I know I'm doing a very early pack up, and then on my next couple of days off, I'm having friends over as a goodbye. I've got to go catch up with people, say goodbye to my fam, and then I finish work on the 26th. I finish work in 10 days. Holy shit. And then I have 4 days to completely pack up, but I just want to do majority of the pack up now. I think I want to do one last makeup before I go. No, I'm definitely going to do one last makeup. Okay, change of plans. We're going to do one last makeup. I'm going to make it nice, short, sharp, and sweet for you guys. It's not going to be a tutorial. You're just going to sit here. I'll put my makeup on and then we'll pack down this room together. Yo, yo, yo. What's up? Are they perfect? Probably not, but that's gonna do, because I was about to say I'm gonna do just a nice natural makeup to get me through the day, but there's no way that I'm probably gonna be doing a natural makeup to get me through the day. I don't know if I want to go reds. I think I might go Jeffree Star Blue Blood. You're probably sick of me using it, but it's a beautiful palette and I want to use it to its absolute fullest. Okay. I've nearly gone through like all of this ColourPop No Filter concealer, and I don't think I've ever really finished any makeup products before at all, which is astounding because there is a very minute amount left. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with Tongue Pop. Wow, I cannot speak today. Tongue Pop Cavity, and kind of that shabam. And then I'm going to do something that you've probably never seen on this channel before, and that's put mascara on. I never wear them. So I think I'm done. Nothing too drastic, nothing too fancy. Just a little bit of eye makeup and a little bit of highlighter, and then we are done. I don't want to pack up my room. I really don't, but it's time. It really is time. So to make it official, so I cannot actually film anymore because I know the temptation will get to me, I'm gonna start with the backdrop. So to ruin the illusion of perfection, which is obviously all the vibes that I'm giving off, I'm gonna zoom yours right out so you can potentially see the backdrop. Voila. Welcome. This is my space. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this. This is, I can't remember what we called her. Now she is coming with me on this adventure because I'm halfway through a video with her. I am testing to see if you can put enough PVA glue on a styrofoam head that you can make a bald cap. This is in the name of science. I think I'm about 5 to 10 layers of PVA glue deep in this. I reckon closer to 10. And they suggest like potentially 25. So I've got a fair way to go, but I'm not giving up hope on her. And also my handy dandy trusty microphone, my light. So you wouldn't think that it'd do enough, would you? But it does make a subtle difference. I'm pretty much a musical genius. Bye, bye, little Sebastian. I miss you in the saddest fashion. One of the shittest things about packing up is knowing that damn well, and I keep dropping shit, that I have to clean my brushes before we go. And make sure they're all nice and clean before we skedoodle. I feel like I don't trust that to make it all the way. Why are you doing this? Okay, once the lid's on tight, it's fine. We'll be okay. We'll get through this. This, my friends, is my travel makeup bag with some added other stuff in it. So, chuck some thingamajigs in there. For some reason I might need you and you. Chuck my sunnies back in there. I'll take a face halo and a lip scrub. Bang, bang, bang. So I feel like it's probably time that I actually clean the brushes, because if I don't do it now, I also know that I'm probably just not gonna do it. Also, Matt and I are just moving. We have not got a place yet, so this could potentially be the last video in a decent while, other than my little vlog that I have going for you. I might try and vlog a little bit more of it, but at the same time, I just don't know what I'll be able to do, because we won't have internet, we won't have this, we won't have that. So I am hoping more than anything that it'll be a very small hiatus, like maybe a couple of weeks max, like maybe 3 weeks. Because we are planning on getting there at around the start of June. Now, it depends what kind of place we get. We are potentially looking at some places that are getting built, and they won't be ready till like the 20th of June. Which, if that's the case, we might be a little bit longer before I can get some more videos up for you guys. Hopefully it's not that long, hopefully it's fine, but we just don't know. Okay, it's time to say goodbye to the microphone because it is getting packed up right now. So, goodbye, nice, clear audio. Hello, shitty, not as good audio. Now, I'm not really sure why I kept the microphone box, but subconsciously I must have known that I was going to pack up and need it. Because I feel much more secure knowing that it's packed up in this perfect little box. Matt even bought like a sticky tape. I'm gonna call it a gun, but I feel like it's definitely not a gun. How the hell do I work this? I've decided I could never be a professional packer. That was very hard to figure out. So, the time has come that I actually start to attack my makeup room. This is gonna be a big task, and it's probably gonna take me more than just a day. But, first things first, I'm the realist. But also, I need probably boxes and stuff to put it in, and I don't have a lot of stuff to put stuff away in. So I'm just gonna do what I can at the moment, and then when Matt gets back with some boxes and stuff later, I might try a bit more. If not, I'll do it tomorrow. And the next day, and the day after that, and the day after that. No, I'll be working then. In about a week's time. Aha. It's a big job. It's a real big job. So, I'm not sure if you guys have ever actually seen these drawers or not, but I'm gonna show you real quick before I pack them up, because that's where most of my makeup is. Like my beauty makeup, not special effects, that's pretty much just on that one, and maybe a little bit over here. I've got a fair bit of crafting shit, and I don't craft anything, so I'm not sure why I've got so much, but I'm gonna show you real quick. So top drawer is usually lippies and lashes and contacts. Then this is the palette drawer. It is, okay, it looks so much worse than it really is. I promise it wasn't this bad the other day. Which includes some lippies, some liners, some mascaras, and the jumbo pencils. And then we've got foundations. Sorry, the cord's in the way there. Hopefully that wasn't affecting that too much. Got foundations, blushes, bronzers, concealers, this one here, some highlighters, and some other bits and bobs. Now, this bottom one's nothing too exciting. That's just more crafting stuff, wigs, and camera stuff. But I just thought you guys might enjoy to see that a little bit because I don't think I've ever really showed you. I think I'm gonna put makeup that I don't want in a bag. And by makeup I don't want, I mean BYS Nude and Nude 2. I said that backwards, I do know that. But I also think that my little sister will probably have fun just playing with it. So I'm gonna put stuff that I technically probably expired. I mean, I feel like I've had this for a very long time. Actually, I think I did a Kmart haul. I'm pretty sure it was Kmart, if not Target, where I got this back in the day. This would be going on 4-5 years ago. You will, if you go back far enough, you will find me talking about these in a haul. Please go back and watch it because you can see little, I was gonna say prepubescent, but it wasn't prepubescent. It was just like 20-year-old Evie, 19, 18, something along the lines of that year-old Evie. Trying to do a haul. Yep. But if you guys are committed enough to go back and look at that, please leave a comment on it because I don't think I'm game enough to go back and watch it. Napoleon Paradis. I've never used any of their things, nor do I know if I'm really stating that name correct. This was given to me for Christmas like 7 years ago, I reckon. Mum and Dad, thank you. I don't think I ever really used it. It's just too shimmery for my liking. But look at these colors and you tell me what you think this should be called. Because what it says on the back here is Rainbow Eye Palette. What? Are y'all colorblind? This is not the rainbow. This is deep darks, lights, and a slight salmony peachy color. No, no, no. Can't pull the wool over my eyes, Napoleon. Also, should I keep this? Did they go bankrupt? Did they crumble? Is this now a collector's item? I don't know. All of my lipsticks fit in this one Tupperware. Let's do this. I cannot risk my container of crafts opening in there because that would be an absolute nightmare. I'm also gonna take any silicone pieces, like prosthetic molds that I have with me. I do believe any plaster molds probably just won't make the trip, so I'm not going to bother packing them. They will be discarded, which is a little bit sad, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, sorry to change back to a shittier camera, but my makeup room has finally been completely emptied out. So I thought I'd give you one last look at it before it's gone forever. So come on in, guys. This is it. It does not look like my makeup room at all. What is this? It is a very tiny room. Okay, mine the very echoey acoustics. I feel like I'm in Skyrim right now. But it is done, finito, everything is packed up, ready to go tomorrow. And I'm just gonna give you a quick little look out the window. This is what we've been packing up in and taking things outside. Rainy, shitty weather. Very windy. That's a power line out there wobbling to and fro. But, oh, hello, very average lighting. Please don't make me yellow. But, we're done. It's packed up. I mean, there's still a fair bit of the rest of the house to do, but this room itself is completely done. Minus the fact that I need to mop the floor, but we're just not going to talk about that. So, that is the end of one more chapter. So, I do apologise that this will probably be the last video you will see from me for a couple of weeks, as we do not have a place to move into yet. But we're just rolling with it, we're just taking it as it comes. So, thank you for coming on this little journey with me. I will be back soon. Don't forget to follow me on my other socials so you do not miss out on keeping up with me as we move. So Guys, making you feel ill? Does it make you feel like you're in a boat? But I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.